10 o'clock, everybody welcome. AZD, also known as Spider. This is IMC Nation. And today is the final free lecture that you're getting. That's it. No more 10 a.m. for you. Let me make one announcement. All the men, my program is now called Primal Alchemy. It starts in the new year. It starts today. It started yesterday. And it's only $47 a month for about 3 to 4 hours of lecture every day. Every day. My class will start at 10 a.m. right now. Instead of the free lecture, I'm going to get right into game and everything that I have to teach. I'm going to give everything I got before I move to Thailand. And you either keep me here or I move, and then you're left with this part of the process. Just like when I have schmoes that come around and they're like, I've been watching you for 10 years, 15 years, 20 years. No, you haven't been watching me. You've been watching that version of me for a long time, and that's different. So I'm going to leave everything on the table as I move, or if we don't move, I'm going to leave it all on the table, and then you have it, and then we move on to the next thing here, okay? So here's what we're going to do. Thank you for showing up. There is no lecture today. It's done. The class is $47. Please put the link up for all the men. I'll see you there. I'm starting now. I know they think it's at 10:30, but I always tell people show up to everything I do. My class will start in about 2 minutes, okay? All the men, $47. That's all you need to pay. If you can't afford $47, go kill yourself, all right? Talk to you later. Oh, see you guys. Log off.